Hello, dear students. So, today I want to start another new lesson, that is from geography part, change of the earth's surface. So, in this lesson, here you can see the title earth's surface. What is earth's surface? First you learn that earth's surface, that is just example, this is our what? Earth, and we live here. Understood? We live here. We don't live here. We don't live here. This is the inside core. So this is called surface, crust, where we lived. Okay. So this crust has many changes. On this surface, we have river, we have hill, mountain, plain area, plateaus area. So on this surface. So that surface how changed time by time. Sometimes quickly change, sometimes take very long time. So this is what earth's surface. Introduction, you can see the earth's surface of the earth is composed of continent, that was land, continent, land mass, then ocean, hydrosphere, these are water. So as we know, hydrosphere and land mass over 71%, and then here you can see 29% what? Earth surface. That means water covered 71% on earth, and only 29% land mass where we live. It's the earth surface. So hydrosphere, you can see hydrosphere no water more, but we cannot use that water. That one you know, sea water, salty water we cannot use. So with this 71 and 29%, with this we have plain area, plateaus area, hill area, mountain, river valleys, desert, coastal plain, and different surface we have. So already I said that, just example, this is our earth, and on here in this surface we have different type of surface. কবাত প্লেন আছে, কবাত প্লেটো আছে, কবাত পাহাৰ আছে, দেখাই পাইছোঁ আমি, কবাত নদী আছে, পানী আছে. So this surface change each and every time. যেতিয়াৰ পৰা till when the earth started to begin. From there earth is actually started begin means we can say earth জন্ম হৈছিল, পৃথিৱীখন যেতিয়াৰ পৰা জন্ম হৈছিল তেতিয়াৰ পৰাই চেঞ্জ চলিয়ে আছে পৃথিৱীখনত. ওকে, সাৰফেচবোৰ চেঞ্জ হৈছে. ক'ৰবাত যদি আগতে পাহাৰ আছিল, সেই পাহাৰ ভূমিকম্পত সোমাই গৈ কি হ'ল, নদী হৈ গ'ল, দেন পুখুৰী হৈ গ'ল, লেক হৈ গ'ল. So এনেকুৱা চলিয়ে আছে. So সেই আজি আমি এইটো লেসনত পঢ়িম যে we will learn in this lesson that how it change, how hill, mountain become river, become plateau area. How some forces are there. Two type of forces are there: internal force, external force. So these forces, what is internal force, what is external force, we are going to learn. So before going to learn what are the forces that change our earth surface, that already I said that our earth change this surface crust, that surface land mass change. These forces we have to learn. Before learning this, you just watch one very sweet and short video.
Exogenic processes. Exogenic processes are an outcome of the forces generated in the atmosphere as well as those in the interior. It is this stress that leads to erosion, transportation, and deposition of the Earth's material. There are two types of stresses. The gravitational stress, that is, the force generated per unit area creates deformation. This stress leads to breaking down of rocks and other materials that in turn leads to their displacement. Number 2. Molecular stress leads to loosening of bonds in grains, dissolving or cementing of materials due to factors such as temperature changes, crystallization and melting. Denudation. Denudation implies modification of landforms by action of moving water, ice or wind. there are three processes. Weathering occurs due to stresses or chemical action. Mass movement due to gravitational force. Erosion due to kinetic energy. The exogenic processes tend to vary from region to region due to the following factors: density, type and distribution of vegetation, different climatic regions owing to presence of thermal gradients. Within these, there are local climatic variations influenced by factors such as altitude, insolation, slope, wind, temperature, and precipitation. Types and structure of rocks, as they offer varying levels of resistance to the geomorphic processes and give rise to varied topography. Variations on the surface of the Earth, besides being influenced by crustal evolution, is also affected by disparity in type and structure of the Earth's material, variation in geomorphic processes, and their rates of operation. The exogenic geomorphic processes work on the Earth's surface through weathering, mass movement, erosion, and deposition. Now, let's further discuss these subdivisions. Weathering. Weathering refers to disintegration of the Earth's material at their place of origin due to action of weather and climate. It is influenced by geological, climatic, topographic, and vegetative factors. Types of weathering. Weathering can be divided into physical weathering, chemical weathering, biological weathering. Physical weathering occurs due to gravitational force, such as pressure or wear and tear. Expansional force, such as temperature changes or animal activity. Water pressure, such as wetting and drying cycles. Let us now learn more about the different types of physical weathering. Types of physical weathering: unloading and expansion, temperature change and expansion, freezing, thawing, and frost wedging, salt weathering.
So in this lesson we have learned little bit introduction about Earth's surface, how change exogenic factor. So in video also you have learned some important process how exogenic factor change the Earth's surface. So next video